link, right turn to Yankee, YC 4650.
Scandinavia 945 heavy. Turn right at Delta Delta, right on Papa, hold short of golf ball.
Bill Stamp up, hold short golf golf, Scandinavian 945.
Envoy 3250, make the left turn on November, and will you be ready upon reaching for the full length of 28 right?
No, we got to pull the numbers up.
Envoy 3250, roger. Pull on the pad, let me know when you have the numbers.
Copy.
Waterski 4650, will you be ready upon reaching?
Affirmative, Waterski 4650.
Waterski 4650, roger. Monitor 132.7.
32.7, Waterski 4650. FedEx 3155 heavy visual 28 center 5 miles.
FedEx 3155 heavy, tower right straight center, cleared to land, wind 22011. You can plan on exiting Bravo Bravo.
Thank you, exit Bravo Bravo, clear to land, FedEx 3155 heavy. 400 tall, 236 heavy, visual 28 center 11 miles.
Asiana 236 heavy, tower right straight center, cleared to land, wind 22011. Caution weight turbulence control, the heavy.
Well, the clear to land on a 28 center, 236 heavy.
Scandinavia 945 heavy, monitor 132.7.
132.7, Scandinavia 941.
Guys, 458 and Envoy 3250. If it's going to be too long for you guys to get your numbers for 28 right, we can stick with 2 up. There's one more heavy on final. He's about 7 miles out, and then you can plan to the chart. I decided if you could go on the full like the 28 right, it helps you get out a little faster. The full like the 28 right, monitor 132.7.
327.